Hello, everyone. Welcome to our beginner English podcast.
Hello, everyone. My name is Leo.
And my name is Emma. We speak slowly and clearly. Today, we learn simple English together. First, we start with greetings. Listen and repeat after us.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now more greetings.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Listeners, please say hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Now, a small conversation.
Hello, Emma. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
Listeners, answer now. How are you? Now we learn numbers.
We start with numbers from 1 to 5.
Listen and repeat.
1,
1,
2,
2. Now more numbers.
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. Listeners, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we learn 6 to 10.
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10. Now we count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Listeners, count with us again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now we learn the days of the week.
There are 7 days.
Listen and repeat.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday. Now more days.
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday. 2 more days. Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday. Listeners, say all days now, Monday to Sunday.
Now we learn objects, simple things we see. Listen and repeat. Book,
Book,
pen,
pen,
table.
table,
More objects.
chair,
Chair,
phone,
phone,
bag,
bag,
laptop.
laptop. Now some simple sentences. This is a book.
This is a pen.
This is a phone. Listeners, say, this is a chair.
Very good.
Now we learn food and drinks.
Listen and repeat.
Bread,
Bread,
rice,
rice,
apple.
apple,
More food words.
banana,
Banana,
chicken,
chicken,
salad,
salad,
soup,
soup. Now drinks.
water,
Water,
tea,
tea,
coffee,
coffee,
juice.
juice. Now simple sentences.
I like apples.
I like rice.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
Listeners, say, I like bread.
Now we learn daily activities.
Listen and repeat.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
More daily actions.
I study.
I study.
I read.
I read.
I cook.
I cook.
I sleep.
I sleep. Now a short review of today.
We learned greetings.
We learned numbers.
We learned days of the week.
We learned objects.
We learned food and drinks.
We learned daily activities.
You did a great job today.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.